Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the email address linked to your Epic Games account on your PS4 or PS5. This is really useful if you've forgotten which email you used to create your Epic Games account, or if you're having trouble logging in on another device. To start, turn on your PlayStation and launch Fortnite or any other Epic Games title. Once you're on the main menu, go to Settings and then Account and Privacy. From here, scroll down to the Account Information section. You'll usually see your Epic Games username, but not your full email address for security reasons. The easiest way to confirm your Epic Games email is by linking your PlayStation account to Epic Games on a web browser. On your phone or computer, go to epicgames.com, click Sign In, and then select Sign In with PlayStation Network. Log in using your PlayStation credentials, and Epic will automatically detect your linked account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile name in the top right corner, go to Account, and then open the General tab. You'll now see the email address associated with your Epic Games account. If you get a message saying that your PlayStation account isn't linked to any Epic Games account, that means you may have been playing on a guest or console-only account. In that case, you'll need to link your PlayStation account to a new or existing Epic account to secure your progress and purchases. If you've lost access to the email address linked to your Epic account, you can contact Epic Games Support through their website. Provide details such as your Epic username, linked console, and purchase history to verify ownership and recover the account. So, to summarize, the fastest way to find your Epic Games email on PS4 or PS5 is to sign in to Epic's website using your PlayStation login. Once you're in, go to your account settings and you'll see your registered email address right there. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you find your Epic Games email, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other guides on Fortnite, PlayStation, and Epic Games troubleshooting.